How to turn on hand and face effects on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on hand and face effects on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Instagram has introduced a new feature called Face and Hand Effects. It is an augmented reality feature that reacts to how people in the scene move, speak and express themselves. They include filters, masks, avatars and other interactive digital experiences. You can apply these effects to your camera, photos and videos. To turn on face and hand effects, open Instagram. Go to your profile, tap on the menu, then tap on settings and tap on privacy. The hand and face effect feature is not available for everyone as of right now. It is also not available for me, but if it's available for you, under data permission, you will see face and hand effects. Turn on the toggle and the effect will be on. So this is how you can turn on hand and face effects on Instagram.